Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Patricia binti Karul Amir. I'm with my two colleagues.
My name is Nur Alia Adriana.
Hi, my name is Nur Alisha Eliana.
We are going to explain to you about our BSPD project. Okay, to begin the project, we need to create the database first using PHP-MyAdmin. After we open the PHP-MyAdmin, we need to go to SQL and create the database, for example, hospital. Don't forget to put the semicolon after the sentence, and we click the go button. Then the hospital database was exist. After that, to create the table in the database, we need to click the hospital, then go to SQL. After that, type the create table. For example, we do doctor table. Then don't forget to put the opening bracket and type doctor name. The data type of doctor name is character. We put 50 character. And doctor ID, we use integer data type. After that, age also integer data type. The email ID we use character, and the maximum character is 50. And lastly, we put salary, and the data type of salary is float. Then don't forget to close the sentence using closing bracket. After that, we used to do other bracket to create other tables. Using the same method like we create the doctor table.
So right now, I'm going to insert some data into each of the tables. First of all, we need to use insert into statement followed by the name of the table. For example, here we have accountants table. Then, we need to insert the values of each column. The first column is accountant's name, followed by accountant's ID, age, email ID, and salary. For the next step, I will show you how to update some data into the table. We can use the update statement in SQL to modify existing records in a table. First, you need to use the update keyword followed by the name of the table that you want to update. For example, I would like to update the doctor's table. Then, I need to set which column I want to interact with, which is the salary column. And I will enter the new value of the doctor's salary. Then, type where, which is the condition of records I want to update.
So next, I'm going to show you delete function. If you want to delete the data that you don't want in your database, you can type delete from patient, which is the table name, and then where is the column name, patient ID, and then you enter the operator value, and then you just go and confirm you want to delete the data, and that's it. For the first select function, if you choose to find a specific data, you can search it using select all from table name, that is doctor, and where doctor name. Like this is Hadlis Patricia, and then after we enter go, it will show us the results. You can Secondly, if you want to look for the whole data in one table, you can type select all from the table name. For the next type of select is we can use AND. So right here I'm typing select all from table name nurse, and then where I want to look for the age of the nurse, then insert 29 and salary equals to 1,300, and then it will display Kaisara Ramina, age 29 and salary 1,300. Next select is our operator displays, which is it only displays a record if the first condition or the second condition is true. For example, like this, I'm select all from table name test, where test name and the operator value is DNA test, and or P130. So this will show two types of data, that is blood test and DNA test.
Our last task is we need to insert, update and delete pages using PHP. Firstly, we open back the PHP MyAdmin, then go to hospital database, then we create the table using the code that we copy in other website. After that, we press the go button. Then we used to copy other code, and before that we need to create a new folder in the XAMPP and PHP file. Create a new folder that we name it as hospital folder. We copy the code and paste it using Notepad++, then save it in the new folder that we create before. Before save it, you need to change the PHP tutorial to hospital, because the hospital is our folder lah. Then we save it as dbcoin.php. After that, we copy other code and paste it like we used to paste the dbcoin PHP. Okay, so we are going to do the same thing until the end. Then the last code that we copy is logout.php, and we save it. After we done all the copy and paste progress, we can go to Chrome and search the localhost /phpMyAdmin/hospital. We can search it, enter, and we can register it. Name, we put Hailis Batusha, my name, and we can put the number phone, and lastly the email and also the password, and we can submit it. After submit it, we can log in put the email ID and also the password. After that, log in, yeah, the dashboard was exists. Then we can look the data that users key in. Then has Hailis Batusha, and the data was exist.